So I want to make some constructions in GeoGebra as if I was making them with a compass and a straight edge. And our book talks about this in chapter 12, and you're going to give it a try too. So I'm going to go over some of the techniques that they do. So the big techniques are, can we reproduce a segment? Can we reproduce an angle? If we can do those two things, we can reproduce triangles. Other things that are nice to do are to cut a line in half with a perpendicular bisector, and to cut an angle in half. And if we can do those things, then there's tons of other stuff we can do. So those are kind of the basic techniques and constructions. The segment reproduction, again, compass and straight edge. So I'm not using a protractor to measure angles, and I'm not using a ruler to measure lengths. And the compass can be used to just reproduce a length without measuring it. So let's start with some segment, AB here. And I want to reproduce that segment on another line. So I'm going to make another line here. I'm just going to put the points far apart. And I want this exact length to appear on this line. And the tools to do that aren't right here. I need that. There's actually a compass tool which behaves like a pointy compass. And so that would be down here. And the way the compass tool works, it says select your length first, so between 2 points, and then pick where you want to start to measure out from there using the compass. So this isn't a ruler, it's just say, okay, I'm putting the point of my compass here and the pencil of my compass there, and then now here's my compass. And all I have to do is put the point of the compass down at another point, and then I can use the compass to draw a circle, and I just need to know where that point is right there, and then it should match AB. So next I need the intersect tool, which isn't yet available, so I have to go more, and then look back up. There it is, intersect. And I just want to know that intersection point. So my claim is, based on the way the compass works, is that a compass is a rigid thing. It flexes so that you can make different distances between the point and the pencil, but once you pick a distance, it's kind of rigid and it holds that shape until you move it again. So I believe AB is the same length as CD. I could double check that if I want after, but this is my construction, so I'm done reproducing the length. To check, I can go and grab that distance tool and say, how long is AB? It's about 4. How long is CE? It should be exactly the same length. And if this had a decimal, that would have a decimal. Now, if I move any of these points, that's going to mess everything up. So they're not connected after the fact. So that was reproducing a segment using the compass tool.